right. Is this the radiator cover that you like to have done some work?
Yes, yep, this is the one I was telling you about.
All right, so what's the idea here? What exactly you want to do with that?
Yeah, so when we moved in, we painted the rest of the area, but as you can see, we didn't really touch this. We weren't quite sure how to do it. There's, you know, all the vents and some bumps and stuff, so we weren't sure the right way.
Right, right. I see some drips, I see some runs, so definitely we can fix that for you.
Perfect.
But let me ask this, how old is your house?
Yeah, the house is from 1952.
Okay. Anything before 1978, we're gonna have to test for lead paint, okay?
Okay.
I have a kit in my truck. I'll go get it and I'll be right back.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
All right, Ashley, ready to do the test?
Yes.
All right, this is what we're gonna do. This is part A and part B. We're gonna crush both of them and we're gonna shake it really well. Once those two chemicals get shaked nice, they will be able to detect lead by turning pink or red right there.
Okay.
Okay? All right, Ashley, we're gonna scratch the surface, but I have to go all the way down to the first coat of paint.
Okay.
All right, this is how we're gonna do it. All right, that's good enough. So we're gonna crush part A and part B. We're gonna shake really well. Squeeze a little bit, and let's see if we have lead paint or not.
All right. Looks red.
Looks
what
red.
does that mean?
That means we do have lead paint on this radiator.
Okay.
right.
Are we still able to do the project with the lead?
Absolutely. Every time when you disturb lead paint in someone's house, you have to be certified, lead paint certified.
Okay.
I am. We're gonna do this work for you, but I like to get this outside and work it out there.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, Ashley, we're in full PPE. Because we're working with the lead paint that has on this radiator, we have to wear suits, N100 mask, goggles, gloves, booties, and also we have to protect the working area. We have tarps, we have plastics, so we're ready to go here?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to grab this 5-in-1. I want you to go in between the vents and try to get rid of all the drips and runs.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get my sander and I will do this area here.
Okay.
All right, Ashley,
Yep.
let me give you a hint.
Okay.
Instead of you going forward,
Yep.
go backwards with this sharp edge here.
Okay. Oh, got it.
All right, cool. Now I'm gonna switch my sander and we're gonna vacuum the surface really well. And then we're gonna use a wet cloth to wipe everything up.
Okay.
And this is good because you can pick up all the little dust particles. I think we all set with the cleanup.
Okay.
And now it's time, we follow up all the lead paint protocol. Now it's time for us to dispose of everything that is on the ground.
Okay.
All right? Throw this trash bag. This bag goes right inside of this one. Now we're gonna do the same thing.
Okay.
All right, now we can take all the protections off.
And gloves last?
Gloves last, always.
Can this be disposed in the normal garbage?
The best way to find out, check with your town.
Okay,
They will
great.
tell you exactly what to do with that.
Okay,
All right?
perfect.
Cool. For the bare spots, I'm just gonna hit it with the metal spray primer. This is the paint that I have for the radiator.
Okay.
It's an organic zero VOC paint, actually calls radiator paint.
Oh.
Okay, there's no chemical on it and it can take the heat and it's specific for radiators, but we can also use for the covers too.
Perfect.
All right. gonna do my pass here.
Okay.
And then I want you to come right behind and just brush it on, all right?
Okay. Do you have to do more than one coat, or is one coat good?
One coat is good. Father will check in, just in case it needs more than one, but one coat should get a good coverage on it. Zero VLC paint, what do you think about that?
Yeah, it looks great. Much better than before already.
Totally different from what you had before,
Yeah.
huh? All right, Ashley, let's put this beauty back in place.
All right.
Let's put it back there, slide it down. Push a little bit. There we go. Bang.
All right, perfect.
Beautiful.
Wow,
What do you think?
that looks great. What a big difference.
Big, huge difference. Okay, let me tell you this. I know you like to paint.
Yes.
And if you tackle any other paint job around your house, remember that we found lead paint on
Yep.
this guy here. So make sure that you test before you do any work, okay?
Okay, we will.
Safety first.
Yes,
All right?
perfect.
There we go. Enjoy
Thank
it.
you so much. Thanks for all your help today.
Thank you very much.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.